Hello friends, today's video is on Koottu Curry, one of the main dishes in an Onam feast. In this video, you can learn how to prepare Koottu Curry very easily. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. We can take the ingredients required for Koottu Curry. A cup of yam cut into small pieces has been taken. A cup of pumpkin cut into small pieces has also been taken here. Then there is black chickpeas. The chickpeas has been boiled and we are using half a cup here. Now let's prepare the coconut paste. For that, take a small mixer jar. A cup of grated coconut has been taken. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of black peppercorns. Now use the mixer to make a fine paste and set it aside. Now to prepare the Koottu Curry, a clay pot has been taken. Add the yam, pumpkin and the boiled chickpeas. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Also add half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Add the required salt for the Koottu Curry at this time. Now add enough water to cook it. After mixing it well, turn on the stove, cover it and cook it. After about 8 minutes, open it. It has cooked and thickened. After it boiled, it was kept on a slow flame. Now add the paste that we have ground in the mixer. Mix it well. To get rid of the raw smell of the coconut paste, simmer it on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this time, add 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder. Even if you are adding jaggery syrup, 1 tablespoon is enough. Mix it again. Now the water has evaporated well. You can turn off the stove at this stage. Now we need to fry some coconut. For that, a frying pan has been taken. When the pan is hot, pour coconut oil into it. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil has been taken here. Add half a cup of grated coconut. Now with the stove on a medium flame, fry this coconut well. Now the coconut has a nice brown color. At this time, turn off the stove. Also add 2 sprigs of curry leaves to it. Mix it well again. Now add this to the Koottu Curry. Mix it lightly. Finally, pour about 1 tablespoon of raw coconut oil on top and mix it well. This will give the curry a good taste. Now Koottu Curry, one of the main dishes of the Onam feast, is ready here. Although Koottu Curry is prepared in many ways, today we saw a recipe that can be prepared very easily. This is a recipe that everyone can do easily. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, remember to like, comment and share. If you're watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. There are a lot of old videos on Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page. Try to watch them. So a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.